In this video, let's talk about Sony's 3D spatial displays and their new VR headset.
Welcome to the Sony booth. This is Thaisa Yamamura, Head of XR Business Development. We are here to showcase 4 different solutions from Sony. The first one is the first time that we are showing public our spatial content creation system, which is a very high resolution head-mounted display. It's 4K per eye, so essentially you are getting an 8K resolution. So some of the features are the ability to flip up and down, and being able to interact with both the real world and the virtual world. It's a perfect device for content creators who wanted to create content using a headset and wanted a better visualization from what they are created. This is an enterprise product. It was designed for B2B users who wanted to have a very high definition and being able to preview what they are working in a very high resolution. So as you can see here, you have the ability to adjust according to your viewing angle, to your head. And then here you have, you can flip down an ability to move according to your preference. And the good thing is you can also wear glasses on the same time. So you don't have to remove it and put the glasses on again. This was especially designed for people who wanted to, work in their computer and then pre-visualize what they are creating on the VR headset. We also have the capability to see the pass-through. We have very unique controllers. So we redesigned the way that the people interact in the virtual world with the pointer. It's a very unique design, and the ring, which is over here, so you can actually interact and point it specifically to an object that you wanted to grab. So it's because this is not a game product, it's a more enterprise, we designed a new way of interacting into the virtual world. This is our head-mounted display, but over here we are also showcasing another product, which is our glasses-free 3D display. It's available in 2 sizes. One is the 27-inch and the other one is the 15.6 inches. It allows the content creators to see assets in 3D without wearing any VR headset or any special glasses. Those side panels are optional. You can remove them. You can use it on a Visa mount to have a better visualization according to what you want. The demonstration that we have here is specifically focusing on the museum use case, and it shows a dinosaur in 3D without wearing any special VR headsets. And the other model there, we have placed it on top of the desk, on top of the table, and we're showing different kinds of use cases for game designs, for people in the medical field, people who wanted to have a better visualization in Maya. We have a new plugin that supports Maya. So while they are designing Maya, they can have this real-time visualization in 3D on the display. It uses our 3 technologies from Sony, which is the sensor, the eye sensing technology that senses the position of your eyes and adapts the image for you to see in 3D without glasses. So these images are rendering in real time with our SDK, available on either Unity or Unreal Engine.
Let me ask, what do the side panels do if they're optional?
So they're optional. It helps blocking the lights from reflecting to the display. So this is just optional. Some people, they want to have a better immersive experience, so they include it. But some people, they prefer without it, so it's completely optional. And it's already available for sales into our website. You'll be able to see a lot of retailers that are handling this product.